Hey guys, it's Neal with Tech Equipment, your 5-paw premier Coyote dealer for the upstate, #1 servicing provider in the nation. We're out here today to do KIOTI QuickLearn episode 2 with Miss Anna.
I'm back.
So in our last KIOTI QuickLearn episode, we went over how to drive a hydrostatic transmission in a KIOTI tractor. Today we're gonna go over a manual transmission and we're gonna do a little bit of driving.
I'm a little nervous, but I'm ready to learn.
Alrighty. So the first thing you want to do when getting on a KIOTI tractor is obviously put your seatbelt on for safety reasons. So go ahead and buckle your seatbelt up.
Okay.
And seatbelt's on. There you go. Okay.
All right, I'm locked in.
All right. You're also going to be able to adjust your steering wheel to the correct position for whoever's driving the tractor. You can do that by pushing up on your purple lever there, adjusting your steering wheel tilt, and then locking your lever back in.
Okay.
Alrighty. Main thing to focus on a manual transmission tractor, key components are going to be your gear shift selector here, clutch pedal, throttle pedal on the other side there, and brake pedals. You're also going to have a low and high range on the CX series tractor that we're driving today. So you can select your range. Once you start the tractor, you can select your range, select your gear, and it's pretty straightforward. We'll go over how to get that going.
Okay, let's go. So how do I get this thing going? I don't know the first thing about starting it. I don't know anything.
All right, so the first thing you want to do before starting the tractor is make sure that your parking brake is engaged, which we have done. Mm-hmm. Next thing you're going to want to do is press your clutch. Alrighty, and you're going to want to turn the key to the start position. Allow your glow plugs to warm up. As with all Coyotes, this is a 3-cylinder diesel engine, so you do have glow plugs that need to be warm in order to start the tractor. So turn your key to the start position. As we've done, you've depressed your clutch, so turn your key and start the tractor. Alrighty. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to select your range. As on the CX series KIOTI tractor here today, you have a high and a low range. We're going to go ahead and put it in low range after you let off that clutch a little bit. Alright, press the clutch in. Alright, once you've selected your range, you can come over to your gear selector. We're going to start it out in first gear, which is to the right and down. Very carefully, you're going to release your parking brake with your right foot by pressing on the pedal.
Oh my gosh.
Until it releases.
Okay.
Alright, it has released.
Okay.
And it should not have to be throttled up in first gear and low, but you may have to give it a little bit of throttle, which you have either a hand throttle or a foot throttle, and then you'll slowly release the clutch until you start moving forward.
Okay. Can I take my foot off the parking
Yes,
brake?
you can take your foot off the parking.
And then what is this little thing?
That is the foot throttle control.
Okay.
So if you want to
use this.
You can use the hand throttle or the foot throttle. You can kind of feather it a little bit and give it some gas and then let off the clutch.
Okay. So I do this first.
Or foot.
Okay.
There you go. And let off the clutch. Once it starts moving, just let off the clutch. And that's it. You're now driving a manual tractor.
Yes! I'm so excited. Neal.
Yes.
Okay, so how fast can I go in this gear?
This is about as fast as you're going to want to be able to go in this gear. If we press the clutch and the brake and come to a stop on a manual transmission tractor, you can select a new gear. So you want to go to second gear. That's all it is. You set it in second gear and release the clutch again.
Okay.
To go to third gear, put it back in neutral and bring it. Let off the clutch a little bit. Let off the brake. Clutch in. Clutch in. Third gear.
Okay.
And then let off the clutch as well. And there is high gear, which will allow you to go a little bit faster. It's more of a road speed if you're driving down to the mailbox to get your mail out. You just want to take the tractor. High gear is the one to go to. It's not really great for farming, but if you're doing some bush hogging or other quickly maneuverable capabilities of the tractor, you can have it in high gear. So select your gear there. We're gonna go put it in second gear.
Is it already in there?
No. There it is.
Okay.
You gotta have your clutch pressed.
Okay, so fully pressed.
Yep. So
okay.
let off your brake and then let off your clutch.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Always clutch first.
I'm scared. Come here. Neal, you didn't tell me how to stop.
Clutch.
Oh my.
Clutch in.
Okay. And then brake.
Brake. Clutch and then brake.
I was getting shake. Okay, so now, and then I move
Turn the throttle down.
And then I move it back to neutral?
It's in neutral, yep.
Okay, cool.
You can always test by neutral by giving a little wiggle.
And when it's in neutral, I can take my foot off, both the clutch and the brake.
As long as you have your park brake set.
Okay. Okay.
Which is not set, but...
How do you set it?
To set your park brake, press the pedal all the way in and then lower this orange lever here.
Oh.
And then let off the pedal.
Okay.
And now it's set.
Okay, perfect.
Another quick detail is if you have your foot on the parking brake and you have your tractor in a low gear, but you let off the clutch while sitting still, it could stall out.
Okay, Neal, so just to review, I'm about to do this all by myself.
Yep.
So the first step is to make sure that my brake is pressed.
Yes.
And my clutch is also pressed.
Correct.
Then I'm gonna look at what gear I want to select.
Correct.
Let's go with, it's in neutral, so let's go with my second gear.
Okay. You're gonna press the clutch in first.
It is.
Now it is.
First step, make sure my brake is pressed, my clutch is pressed.
Correct.
Second step, I'm gonna check my gears here.
Second step is to make sure that you're in a range.
Okay.
So we're gonna leave it in high range as we're already in here, and then you can move on to the gear selection.
Okay, so range is high, gear, it's in neutral. I'm gonna put it in second gear.
Second gear, yep.
Now, I release my brake.
Release the brake.
And then slowly release my clutch.
Yes, but once you start moving, make sure you let off the clutch all the way.
Okay.
Have at it.
And then to stop, I press my clutch first.
Yes.
And then my brake.
Correct.
Okay. So brake is off.
Yep.
Clutch is slowly being released.
There you go.
And I'm moving.
Oh, wow, she actually got it reversed. Pretty good. Oh, yeah, second gear again.
I did it! Alright, clutch.
Clutch.
Brake.
Brake. Neutral.
Gear's in neutral.
And set your parking brake.
Parking brake is...
Yep, let off the pedal. With the lever down. There you go.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
Okay, easy.
Yep.
And then...
Throttle down and you can turn it off. Unbuckle and that's driving a manual tractor.
That wasn't so bad.
That wasn't bad at all. Very good on the 3-point turn.
Thank you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our KIOTI QuickLearn episode 2. Anna, you have learned how to master a hydrostatic transmission. You've now mastered a manual transmission. Do you feel comfortable on KIOTI tractors now?
I feel really comfortable and it was very exciting, very fun to learn. I would say if you don't know how to drive a tractor but you want to, just go out and do it. At STEC, we have plenty of tractor specialists. We have you, we have Jay, we have all these people that are here to help. It's not just about buying a tractor, they're here to help you and help you learn. And trust me, if I can learn how to drive a tractor and do a bunch of ag stuff, anyone can.
Absolutely, we are happy to help where we want to get people in the right machinery for the right purpose and at the right price. So we look forward to doing more KIOTI QuickLearn episodes with future team members and other members of the STEC staff. So come out and check us out, 405 McGee Road, Anderson, South Carolina, or check us out at stecequipment.com for our full lineup of inventory of implements, as well as other services and resources that we provide.
Bye everyone, see you next time.